This is the DPS factory replacement exhaust manifold for the 2019 to 2024 6.7 Cummins. Like the stock manifold, it's got the pressure sensor port, but unlike the stock manifold, it also has pre-tapped pyro ports and pressure ports here on the side. This beast of a manifold is so well designed. If you look at it, it's got EGR ports. It bolts right up to the stock location. It allows for the stock turbo to bolt up to it, yet it's got two pieces. It's pressed together, allows for expansion and contraction so it won't warp, shrink, and crack. It lowers your EGTs, over 75% better exhaust flow over the stock manifold. And if you look at the stock manifold, you understand why. It's smaller. If you look how it's engineered and put together, you can see it looks like it's pieced together. This thing is slick. It's got a nice coating on it for heat. This is the diesel power source factory replacement exhaust manifold for the 2019 to 2024 6.7 Cummins. This is the manifold for you.